Hey guys, welcome again. In last video, we have learned how to create stateless widgets here in Flutter. This app is we have created by using stateless. But here now we want to learn how we can use stateful widgets also. So how we can add this? For that, I create one more class. I say stateful and tab, and here I give the name my home page. My home page, I'm giving a name. You see this much of data will come, and this scaffold here I'm just cut it from here and paste here like this. See, I'm cutting it from here and I'm pasting it here like this. This is stateful widgets. So this is all about stateful widgets here. Now we have cut it and paste here the scaffold. Now here in the home, I need to pass the reference of this. So I say here my home page like this. I'm using it here like this. And if I refresh, I just save this and I run once again. You see the const I need here, const keyword. Once again, I run this. So this is done. We have copied this scaffold here. Now I need to pass here the address of this, means the constructor of this object of this class. So here I pass my home page like this. Save this and you will have this again the same because we are not changing anything. But remember that this is the by default app which we have once we create a new project in Flutter. Same type of app we have, but that have a counter. We do not have a counter here. We will make counter also, but here we need to understand that this is stateless and here we are passing stateful as a home. That home having a scaffold, have this also, and suppose I want to pass title here. So I pass here Dr. Vipin Classes, or you can say Dr. Vipin Tevatia. Now we are passing title from here. So I can use here also, like I can say super, I can say key like this, and I say required this dot title, and I will have here const title, and from here I pass super key to key, the value which come from here that I will do here, and this is what must be initialized. So this dot title is there, so I can say dynamic title like this. So I can take it final like this because it's a final. I don't want to change it. So that's why I'm displaying this constant here. This key may be super parameter. So I can say, so I say title to this because that's a title here. A required field, name parameter also there under the curly bracket. So I'm putting here title like this. I'm passing this and I'm passing from here also, you see. But from here, what I can do, I can pass directly here. I say widgets dot title. You see, because of this, if I'm using any variable here, this variable, remember that this variable we have here. So this variable I can access in this class with the help of widgets like this. So I'm passing this title from here. This is coming from the constructor here, and I'm passing it with the help of widgets because it's a by default object which we get from here. These are linked class, both are linked because this is stateful widgets and this is the state of this, creating is instance of the variables those we are using. Here we want to change and we are passing title here. This title we are passing. If once again I run, same kind of things we have, because dynamically I am not changing any value, but I show you later on that I will change the value inside this class. But you have to understand that this is all about stateless widget. Under that we have a material app, we have a title, we have a theme, then we have a home. Under the home we are passing a stateful class. The stateful class having this create a state, the lifecycle method also for creating states, and having a some variable also like this. Then we have build method again. Under this we have a scaffold, we have a app bar. This app bar we have background color of this app bar. I can give any color which I want. We have a title also. Title I am passing here in the constructor. That title is coming here, and this title I am getting here with the help of widgets. So this is all about stateful widgets and stateless widgets combination app in Flutter. In next video, we will highlight the use of more components, more widgets like text. We will cover more the setting available in text widgets also. So that's all here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.